Hello traders, my name is Yaroslav Birchenko. I'm the Chief Market Strategist for olymptrade.com, and I'm here to talk to you today about what your options are as a trader. How can you make trading your life, your main source of income, and what are your options? So, as a trader, you guys already probably practice the first way, and that's being a retail trader. You practice trading at home, you single-handedly analyze the markets, you probably are a part of some sort of group, you probably find your ideas on the internet, and you learn as much as you can by yourself. Now that's fine and dandy, but you have to understand that the whole world is against you. Trading is a zero-sum game where if you win, that means somebody else is losing, and the other way around. So I wanted to talk about what else you can do besides taking all of the market risk all on yourself, and how you can diversify your sources of income. So the first part is you get so good at trading that you then have a history, you accumulate a history of profitable trades for 1 year, 2 year, or maybe even better, 3 years. Now, when you have that under your belt, of course, your options become widespread. Option number one, you can get a job at a prop firm, a proprietary trading firm. They trade their own capital, they invest in young or experienced traders, and they give them capital to trade on. They usually take a cut of around 60 to 25% because they give you all of the leverage that you need to size up your positions. Now, they are very strict with their risk management rules, but they're also very experienced in trading, and they share that experience with you. So as a trader in a prop firm, you get this wonderful opportunity to have a whole team of really experienced and profitable traders with you, and there is no better motivation than that. Some of the best traders that I've known came from the prop trading sphere. Now, besides prop trading, you can get so good that you can just have other people invest in you. That's right, your friends, your family, and even people that you meet throughout your life, or that you can attract attention to yourself, other people can invest in you. A trader is a very rare individual. It's like a top-notch gold Olympist. So basically, if you can get good at trading, you are one of those rare individuals that will be in high demand. So besides trading in a prop firm, you can get into an institution. You can become an institutional trader. So what does that encompass? Well, basically there are hedge funds, and hedge funds are basically very aggressive speculators. They trade both going up and down, so in the buy side and sell side, and they use a whole sphere, a whole bunch of different financial instruments, very complex derivatives like options, futures, forwards, things that allow them to make money in any kind of economical cycle. Besides hedge funds, they do a lot of their trading short term, and it's a lot of idea trading. Besides hedge funds, there are mutual funds and pension funds. Now, those things are like very long-term buy and hold strategies. Usually they're only on the buy side, and they go for a really long hold period because people invest in those funds for tens of years. So their strategy is very simple. They look for things that give them the best risk to reward ratio, and they aim to buy and hold. Now, besides that, there are other funds. There are funds that deal only with volatility. Now, volatility funds, it might seem like a difficult concept, but basically they use option strategies. It's called a straddle, and they buy both a put and a call at the same time, usually for a month-long period, and they trade the most liquid assets, like the euro dollar, pound dollar, yen, gold, oil, and the indexes for the major economies in the world. Now, besides that, a lot of modern funds, they use algorithms. Now, algorithms each have their own segment in the market. It could also be a high frequency algorithm. So a lot of these funds, they also look for people with experience in trading, with knowledge of statistical analysis, and with a mathematical or programming background. So either way, if you want to make a lot of money you came to the right, first of all, to the right profession. I know a trader that is in New York. His name is Brandon. He made in February an income of $1 million trading US stocks only. And besides the income, you can have a really interesting life on top of the newest technologies. Artificial intelligence, you better believe IBM's Watson is also involved in trading. They don't flat out say it, but I know it because IBM has been losing money and they've been looking for ways to make use of their high-end technologies. And so that's what they've been doing. As you can see, trading is one of the most interesting professions you can possibly have, with a really high with a really high reward ratio of time you put in to the things that you get out. Well, my walk has ended. I have come to the St. Basil's Cathedral here in Moscow. It's a beautiful sunny day with lots of tourists. The city is just buzzing. And I want to invite you guys to come visit our channel where we teach traders some really good knowledge on how to become a statistically profitable trader, and also we give trade signals throughout the day. I'm sure you'll find a lot of things on our channel to make you a more consistently profitable trader. My name is Yaroslav Birchenko, and I want to thank you for joining us today and wish you good luck trading out there. Peace!